Today I'm going to show you how to change your oil on your 04 or early 2000s Toyota Corolla. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the cap. The next part is all going to be done from under the car. Here we go. If everything goes right, all we should need is a 14mm socket. Take your drain plug, clean it off, and put it off to the side. Now let's remove that oil filter. Clean up everything underneath with the towel. Okay, grab your new oil filter and you want to take this seal out. Don't rip it, don't tear it, just take it out. Open up your new oil. What we're going to do is we're going to completely submerge this ring in our new oil. Reinstall that seal back on your oil filter. The next thing we're going to do, reinstall the new filter back on the car. You want to get it nice and snug, hand tightened. Now that the oil filter is back on, let's put the drain plug back on. Clean up the area and just install it hand tightened again with the same 14mm ratchet. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put new oil in the engine. I know this engine takes 3.9 quarts, so we're going to do our best to get it close to there. Then we'll start it and check it and add more if we need to. Once you start it up a few times, check the oil a few times, make sure levels are all good, no leaks, you're good to go. You're done. It's as easy as that. No big deal. It's that easy. You can do this. I can do this. You can do this. Subscribe to see more projects just like this one.